Okay, good morning, year 6. Today it's 24th of March and we are doing October 2018 paper 2 exam. So this exam, you should have done this exam. It's with the calculator. I'm going to start now giving you the model answer. Please, Iyad, start checking with me what you did. I know you answered the homework. I want you to check because there are a few mistakes that I want you to revise with me, okay? Now, let's start here with the first question. This one is really easy. We don't need even calculator. You're just going to arrange the fractions. So simply in this question, I'm going to show you the answer because just arrange them from smaller to bigger because you have the same denominator, okay? This is the first question. Question number 2, you have 2 possible answers. Can anyone tell me? And the nice thing about this question, it's trial and error. You have to try with the calculator. 2 digits, one of them contains 0 and the other one you just try it and gives you an answer that starts with 6 and ends with 0. Can I know the answer, please, of question number 2? I need to see answers. Kareem, this is October 2018. This is October 2018, paper 2. And what's the answer? Who did the answer of the second question? Yassine, you said 90 times 7. Good job, Yassine. Yes, this is right answer. And there is another answer, which is 70 times 9. Very good, yes, Jumana. I understand that the 3 boxes, 793. Yes, you did the right answer, Jumana. Very good job, dear. Yes. Now, let me see what's the right answer in question number 3. Take care. On the left side, I'm increasing. On the right side, I'm decreasing. So what will be the answer, this one, the one I'm marking with the mouse? Can you tell me what would be the answer here? Because this is the only tricky one. It's Maram. Very good, Akram. Very good, Kadi. It's 4,086. Yes. What about the second one? It will be, that's easy. 3,686. No, not Yakadi 586. Take care. We're just going down by 100. Okay. Let's go to the next. Here. I want to see who's going to answer this question, and I want to hear the answer from Mr. Akram.
It's 1 up, 4 right, 4 down, 6 left.
1 up, 4 right, 4 down, 6 left. Perfect, ya Akram. Hi, how are you, dear?
I'm fine, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, next. So this is the right answer again. Hopefully you all did it right. Okay, and just follow the directions. Can you see this question came a lot in the exam? Sometimes he asks with the directions of the east, west, north, and south, or he asks with up, left, right, and so on. Okay, take care. Right. Here, can anyone show me? I want someone to draw. Where is the right answer? Can you do it, Marwan? Can you draw to me the answer? Where will be the place of the water? Show me how you draw it. I'm waiting for the drawing of Annie. Approve. Okay, Marwan. Let's see if you're right. He said that he poured 175 milliliter of water into a measuring jug. So you will go to 175, take away. So the right answer is this one. Okay, thank you. And let me see here. Okay, so the right answer again. Let's go to the answer. So the right answer here is saying Rajiv pours 175. No, ya Marwan, if you did the answer here, wrong. It should be here, 175. You know the distance from 100 to 200 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you divide the 100 into 4 equal parts. So this is 125, 150, 175, okay? It's you, Kareem, okay, it's okay. Now, let's go to this question. Question number B, he's saying Rajiv needs a total of 400 milliliter of water. How much water does he need to add? How much I will add for the 175 to become 400? So I can see many answers. Some answers are with decimal. Let me see, he won't take care. Take care. I'm so happy from specific person because here he's asking you, he want the answer in milliliter. Husam and anyone who's going to tell me 225 only, wrong. He wants you to change the milliliter to liter. So you'll divide by 1000 and shift the decimal. So excellent job, Mais and Marwan, and the one who did it with decimal. Yes, it's 0.20 or 255,000. Okay. Question number 6. He's telling you convert 3.5 into centimeters. Draw a ring around the correct answer. What's the right answer, guys? And I want to change from centimeter. Sorry, this is a 3.5 meter. I want to change it to centimeter. So I multiply by 100. So the answer is, let me see. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Most of you are right. So it's 350 centimeter is the right answer. Yes. I want to multiply by 100. Good job, guys. Now, let's go to this question. He's telling you here in this question, see, he wants to know, okay, we did this question before, by the way, with each other. Which graph is the best? The graph C, most of you will tell me graph C. You should make a good explanation. You should tell me a good explanation. It gives you good scale. It gives you a right scale. I'm going to show you exactly. Akram, you don't understand letter B in question 5. Okay, Hadr, I'll come back to it. So no, yeah, Kadi, it's not B. If you look here at the scale, he's telling you Yuri is 147 centimeter. Maya is 119, 126. This one, if you look at B, it's not clear. Which one is more clear and accurate? You'll find that graph 3 is more clear. It has more different scales. So it's not neither A nor B. The best one is, and easy to read, is C. No, ya Hamza, it's C. I'm going to show you guys what's written in the marking scheme because this is the expected answer that I want to see from you. Let me make it more bigger so that you can see it. He's telling you here, you should tell me it's C. Accept explanation. Look at this one. Accept is narrating to C has bigger difference. C is more clearly seen. It has larger scale. Do not accept. I will not accept if you tell me it is C more accurate. No, you should tell me it has bigger scale. It's clearly seen. You should be specific in your answer, okay? Not any answer like that. Right. Let's go, guys, to the other question. Now, we did this question before, okay? And I told you this comes a lot. This is not the first time. This is the second time happening this question. So how to round up or round down? You need to think about the question. As I told you, these are different questions of division, and each one has different answer. Okay, let me see. What do you want? Okay, 1 second. Yes, Ayed, what do you want?
Miss Page. 1 minute.
Okay, I have to unmute because I need to be quickly. You write to me what you want.
Yeah, wait. Page 7. When he's saying which graph.
Write the question, dear. I'll go back to Akram because he was asking about question number 5B. 5B, your question, ya Akram, he's saying Rajiv needs a total of 400 milliliters. How much does he need to add? So what we answered here at the beginning, this is 175, right, ya Akram? Take away from 400, 175. The answer will be 255. But the answer will be in milliliter, 255 milliliter. You should change the 255 milliliter to liter. So you'll divide by 1000. That's why it's 0.255. Okay? Right. Let's go now back again to the question. Okay. Now, 16 apples, okay, 16 apples are put into bags of 5. How many full bags are there? Full bags. I don't care about the rest of the apples. So in this question, we're going to round down, not up. Right. A minibus holds 10 people. 56 people are going. All the 56 people should go to the trip. how many buses are needed. So you will round up even if the answer is 5 and remainder. So you should add, round up. Yes, good job, Natalie. A pumpkin costs $3. How many can you buy with $10? I only have $10. You cannot round up. So what I only have, how many pumpkin I can get? It's only, you have to round down because the answer will be 3 times 3, 9. Even if there is a remainder, I will not round up because this is the only money that I have. Okay, so you round down. Uh, 35 candles are put into 4 boxes. How many boxes are needed to hold them all? So I want to hold them all. So I will round up. Okay? Right. Let me see. Okay. I'm not going to discuss reflection. Reflection is easy. I want to go quickly to this question, question number 10. And I want to ask you a question about number 10. He's telling you 1/3 of the beads are red, of the 24 beads, 1/4 of the beads are blue. How much is green? How many of the beads are green? Can anyone tell me? Maram is saying 10. Hussein is saying 10. Okay, first of all, I need to make what's 1/3 of 24. If you find 1/3 of 24, if you make 24 divided 3, you will find that the answer is 24 divided 3 is 8, right? And 1/4 of the 24 is what? What's 24 divided 4? It is 6. If you add 6 plus 8, 14, right? Take away 14 from 24. So the answer is 10 beads. Yes, 8 plus 6 is 14. So the answer is 10 beads is the right answer. Take care, this question is 2 marks because I need you to show your work. If you don't show me your work, actually you lose a mark. So good job. Yes, it's 10, guys. Here in this question, it's a fraction. This is 19 divided 3. It's like improper fraction. I want to change it to a mixed number. So the answer, yes, it is 6 1/3. Good job, guys. What about number B? What divided 4 equals, you will do the opposite. You have the mixed number. You're going to change it into improper fraction. So how can I do this question if you don't know it? I think most of you know it also. You make 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So the answer is going to be 15. Next. Right. Use the digits to complete the calculation. The nice thing about this question, you do have the calculator. You need to try using the 4 digits. What times what gives you an answer of 1,827. So can you tell me the answer? You have 2 possible answers. Marwan, 87 times 21. What else? Any other answer? Okay. Good job. Exactly, 87 times 21 or the opposite, yani it's the same. Right, in this question, I want to see how you're going to do this question, guys. He's telling you that I want to translate this shape 2 squares, right? 3 squares down. I'm going to draw for you and you show me. I will start with this one. He said for every single point, I just want to put the points first. So here he said, let's see this point, how it will go. 2 squares right, 1, 2, right, and 3 squares down, 1, 2, 3. So this will be the point, and this will be the other point. How can I do this point? Let's do it. 1, 2, right, and then 1, 2, 3 down. So, and this is the last one. And simply you're just going to use, again, in this question, you have to use the ruler, okay? So this will be the translation of the shape, okay? Make sure to use the ruler when you're doing it. 2 squares right, 3 squares down. What's wrong here, Marwan? Do you have a question here? Right. Okay, in this question, he's telling you how tall was the tree after 3 years. Can anyone tell me after 3 years how tall is the tree? Huh? So I have 40, the answer. Okay, let me see if you're right or wrong. If you check, yes, if you go up to the 3 here, it's yes, it's hitting the 40. So yes, it's 40. Good job, guys. Right. What about the question number B? The tree grows 15 centimeter in the 5th year. Plot the new height of the tree on the graph. Take care. Here, if you check, whenever I'm doing this one, this is the easiest way to do it. I'll show you now. I want to see exactly where is the number here. It's on 52, right? So I want to go 15. So from 52 to 62, it's 10. So each time I'm jumping, each small box, I'm jumping 2, right? So just add 5 to the 62, the 64, 66, and then in the middle, between this and this one, you're going to put the line. So this is exactly, I'll just show you how to do it. He's telling you till, and then I will go up here with the line. So this intersection of the 2 lines, I'm going to join this line to this line. So this will be exactly the right place of the line. This is the exact answer. Hopefully you're doing it now. Okay, let's go to the next question. And if you have a question, please ask, guys. Okay, again, this question, I want to see the answer from Adam. Get ready. What's the answer of this question, dear?
What's the smallest number that may occur? 4.5.
4.5. Good job, guys. 4.5. Very good job, yeah, Adam. Thank you. So it's 4.5 because he said here, I just highlighted something here, I underlined. He said the smallest number. Okay, so take care. There are many numbers. If you round it to 5 and it's a decimal number, it will be 5. But I want the smallest number, so it's 4.5. Thank you, guys. This question I not corrected because you're using the calculator, so no one should make a mistake in it. So I'll skip this question. Type. Hena. Carlos says Carlos is not correct. All multiples of 3 are odd. So if you check the multiples of 3, you have 3, 6, 9, 18. So 6 is in table 3 and it's not odd. 18 is not odd. So you should give them examples. You should give them more than one example that this is not right. Okay, not only the 6 is the answer now. No, you can give them many answers that's even in table 3. Okay, so the answer, no, it's not correct because give them an explanation. Give them an example. Right. Question number 18. Okay. He's telling you write one number in each space on the sorting diagram. So I need a number that's divisible by 4 less than 50. You have many numbers that are in table 4 less than 50. I will accept any number less than 50 and in table 4. Right. What is divisible by 25 and less than 50? You have only 25, nothing else. And here is the model answer. But what about here? I want number more than 50 and less than 100. So if you write any number in table 4 that's between 50 to 100, there are many numbers, I will accept it. That's in table 4. Make sure when you take the number and write it, you will divide it by 4. If you don't have any remainder in the calculator, no decimal, so this means it's in table 4. Okay? Right. What about a number that's in table 25 and between 50 and 100, it's only 75, nothing else but 75. But the upper numbers, you have more than possible answer. Here and here, you have more than possible answer. Okay, next. Okay, in this question, I want to see the answer of Miss Mace. Hi, Mace.
Hi.
Can you tell me, please, the answer? Sorry, can you tell me the answer? 3.2 plus 5.5, what will be the answer? Huh? In this quarter. So I gave you one answer, 1.3, right? I need the total.
Yes.
10. So make sure when you're doing it with a calculator, you add 3.2 plus 5.5 and then subtract it.
It's 1.3.
Yes. What about the lower one? Huh? Lower left.
Which one?
Lower left. This one.
I can't see it.
This one.
Oh, but Miss, I gave you the answer for.
Give me the answers, please. Give me the rest.
2.5 and 4.1 plus 3.4. The one is down.
The one 3.4, yes. But this one, you should tell me was this your answer here?
2.7
and 6.2? So yes, this is the right answer. Okay, thank you, dear. I understood part of your answer. So here the answer 2.7, 3.4, 1.3, and 6.2. You make sure using the calculator that the total is 10. In this question, thank you, nice. Now let's go here. 1 second. In this question, okay, he's writing in Romans letters. What will be the next thing? I'm going to show you the model answer. This is the only answer, the best answer for this. Hopefully you did it right. So this is x and 5, and this x and v and 2. This is the right answer. You just follow the pattern. In this question, you just need to follow the pattern. Here it means 5. So here just you need an x, a 10 plus 5, 15, and so on. Okay? Good job, ya Kareem, and good one who can I answer it, please? I don't know how you will show me the answer, so I just showed you the answer here, ya Kareem. Yeah, Hussein. Now, complete these equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. And I want the answer from, okay, Marwan. What's the answer, dear? Okay, it's not working with Marwan. Okay, Hussein?
No.
Hussein, can you answer
Yes.
the question?
Complete this equivalent fractions.
Mm-hmm.
4 over 5 equals 20. 25. 4 over 5.
4 over 5 equals 20 over.
And 24.
No, you
And
cannot.
24.
4 is 24 times something equals 24. I want something times 24 gives me a 24. I'm doing an equivalent fraction.
I'm still saying the answer. 24 over 120. We need to divide by 24. It will give us 5.
Very good
So
job.
also divide 24 up. It will be 1.
Very
the
good, ya
answer is
Hussein. Good job, dear. Good job, dear. Good job. Right. Can anyone, okay, in this question, here in the number line from 0 to 10,000, I need to know the exact place of 7,400. The best way to do this one, guys, using a ruler. The best way to do this question is using a ruler. I'll show you how to do it. So whenever I'm doing this question, I need to put a ruler. You'll find that it's about 10 centimeters, or just measure it and find the number in the middle exactly. So here the number in the middle will be this one. Let's say this is the number in the middle. So whenever you try the number in the middle, this means it's 5,000, right? So what's in the middle between 5,000 and 10,000? In the middle, it will be 7,500, right? So again, just go one step here. So this will be your right answer. The dot I did now here is the right answer. I will accept 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter less or more, but this should be your range when you're doing the answer, okay? Now, let's go quickly to this question. Question number 23. What's the mode? I want to see the answer from Jumana. Jumana, what's the answer of the mode? What's the mode?
The answer is 34.
What, dear?
The answer is 34.
Very good. What's the meaning of mode, dear?
Most?
Very good. Most repeated, right?
Yes.
Good job. Thank you, Habibti. Right. So mode is 34 and the median is 35. I want to hear from Hamza. Can you tell me how can I make the median? How can you do the median? Hi, Hamza.
Yes, Miss. I don't know because I didn't take this.
You didn't take it even in the other school?
What?
You didn't take it in the other school, dear?
No.
Okay, let me see someone else who can help Hamza. Kareem.
I'm gonna arrange the numbers from the smallest to biggest,
Very
and
good.
then we're gonna cross the numbers from the sides until we get the number in the middle. And
Very
when
good.
we get, we're gonna divide it by divide by 2, and then multiply. Divide by
Find
2.
here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, the numbers here are 7 numbers, so there is a number in the middle. Thank you, Kareem. Simply again, you are going to arrange the number يا حمزة from smaller to bigger. يعني you have here 34, 34, 34, 36, and 35 and 36. Arrange them from smaller to bigger and then find the number in the middle. This will be the median. Median is coming from the word mid or middle. Okay? Right. Next, here in this question, let me see. Close this one. Here is a list of fractions and decimals, and I want to see which are two equivalent. Simply to do this question, just change this fraction into decimal in the calculator. You will find it in a second. And I want the answer from Mr. Louis.
What?
Okay, Louis, Mr. Louis, what's the answer? What are the equivalent fractions here? Our equivalent fraction and decimal.
What's it called again? Two, wait,
Louis, you didn't do the homework.
I did.
Okay, what's the answer?
1/4 and 0.2.
Okay, wrong. Can anyone think of another answer? Wrong? And Kadi, let me see the answer from Kadi. Kadi, what's the answer? Okay, I can see Kadi. And let me see, 1 minute, quickly. Okay, Kadi, what's the answer? Okay, I think Kadi can't hear me. So the right answer is 0.4 and 2/5. It's not quarter. Quarter is 0.25 dear as a decimal. So it's 0.4. If you try 0.5 and 2/5 in the decimal, if you try 2/5 to change it into decimal, you'll find that this is the right answer. I didn't skip a page. 1 second. No, I didn't skip a page. Right. I can't find even the page. Okay, I will check this page. I can't find it now. Yes, I skipped a page, but I can't find it. I don't know why. I can check it maybe tomorrow. It's okay. Question number 27. Draw lines to join each item to the most suitable unit of measurement. I had in this question before with you many common mistakes. Okay. Control, no. Right. In this question, guys, the distance from Buenos Aires and Rosario, it's the distance from place to another. Where do you think I'm going to use the kilometer or meters or kilometer square? Take into consideration whenever the answer is centimeter square or kilometer square, it means we're finding an area of something. We're finding the area of something. So what will be the answer? Yes, it's going to be kilometer. Very good job. But what about the area of a tennis court? Tennis court, and he's saying the area. Area. So what will be the answer? If you tell me meter only, Natalie, wrong, because I'm finding the area, it should be meter square. Meter square. I want to download this page. Okay. 1 second, someone is sending the page. I'll try to see it. Okay, let's go, guys. So the area of a tennis is meter. Where is meter square? Here it is. Right. The length of a pencil. It will be what? Just centimeter. Okay. So not meter and not kilometer for sure. Let's go quickly here. And this question is tricky. I want to see what's your answer. Can I see the answers? And I want to hear from, okay, Maram. What's your answer, ya Maram, in this question? I don't know why I can't unmute you, but let me try. Omar. Omar, what's the answer in this question? Question 28. Omar? You're not there? So he's just attending, but he's not listening? Okay. Yassine, what's the answer?
9.
9 hours. Very good job, Yasin. Good job, dear. Good job. It's 9 hours. طيب, how I did it? Okay. Let's check how it's 9 hours. Here he's telling you, take care. Can you look here, guys, at this time and date? Hina, it's 30th of August. Here it's 29th of August. Here it's 29, 29, and 30th of August. He's saying that London is 5 hours ahead of New York. Ahead of New York. How many hours ahead of London is Sydney? When I look at London and I look at Sydney, this is 3:55 in the second day, not in the same date of the 29th of August. So how many hours? If you check the hours, I'll show you how can we do it. I wrote here from 18:55 to 19, which is 7 o'clock. It's 5 minutes, right? It's 5 minutes, right? Now, let's count from 19 till I reach 3:55 minutes. So let's count here from 19, here 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now I finished the 24 hours. Now I start a new day, which is the 30th of August. Let's say 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Then here, from here to here, take care. This is 55 minutes. So let's count together how many hours? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. And you have here 55 minutes and 5 minutes. 55 plus 5 is 60, which is equal to 1 hour. So 8 plus 1 hour equals 9 hours. Hopefully you got it, guys. It's a little bit tricky. You need to look at this question carefully. Usually the last questions is a little bit tricky and critical thinking, so you have to think outside the box. Okay? So he's telling you here, they're doing it in different days. That's why it's 9 hours. Let me see who did number B right. I want to see the answer from Marwan. What's your answer?
13:35.
13:35. 13:35. Yes, it's right. So you have two ways of answering this question. Either you tell me 13:35 or 1:35 p.m. Also, can you tell me, Marwan, how you did this answer? Because it's a little bit tricky.
I found the difference between New Delhi and Beijing Beijing.
Peking. Okay.
Beijing is ahead, so I found the difference and added the difference onto 11.11.5.
Very good. So again, you should take care in this question. The date and the time in the same time. I'm not looking only at the time. Here it's 29th of August in New Delhi, and in Peking it's 30th of August, right? So for how many minutes from the 23.25 till 24, you'll find it's about 35 minutes. And then from 1 to 55, so it's about, I think, 1 hour and a half. So when you add 11.05 plus 1 hour and a half, 1 hour and 30 minutes, you will find that the answer is a 1:35 p.m. or 13:35. This is the best answer. Next. Okay. Let me tell you guys, thank you. You did a good job today. I finished the session, I think, a little bit faster, which is good. Let me tell you that the new exam, it will be in National Curriculum Standards. It's a little bit higher, but you still need to know it. On third, make sure, guys, to get ready with your classified, because you are going to, I'm going to give you specific homework and specific lessons in it to revise it again. So please make sure that you have both the classified paper 1 and paper 2 books. If you still didn't get it, I'll check with Ms. Rifka if you still have the option of getting your books or not. Have a nice day. See you soon, inshallah. Hopefully everything will get better and better. Okay? Thank you so much, and bye-bye. How would I have this picture of the beach here, Kareem? What is this picture? I need to understand. I stopped reading now. What is this picture? Tell me. How you did so, guys? Kareem, how you did this background? I need to know.
It's called something virtual background.
Can you tell me how? And Marwan too. Oh, I need to know this, please. لا, you have to tell me.
Press مثلا
I stopped recording now.
arrow. Press on the arrow beside the stop video button.
لا, 1 minute بقى. 1 minute where?
اللي هو السهم اللي جنب الكاميرا.
Okay, stop video, huh?
The arrow, okay?
The arrow, huh?
And then choose virtual background.
لا.
Then
Video settings, video settings.
Wow.
and you can choose.
That,
You can press
it came. I'm crazy now. What is this picture? Ada, no, it. Okay, I have to move this one. Ada, no. It's not working. No, I'm not doing.
Because you have a different, like a color background. So it has to be only one color.
I mean, on the background, it should be مثلا only white, and then it will work.
Yeah, exactly, like this wall here.
Ah, it's getting better. Yes, you're right. So either blue or white or something, and then it's working. Yeah, now
Yes.
it's better, right?
Yes.
Okay, I like the idea so much. Thank you. I'm learning something from you. Good job. Yalla. See you and bye-bye for everyone. Thank
Bye.
you, Marwan. Thank you, Kareem, for telling me.